Today, I'm diving into a topic that's been making headlines and sparking debates across the globe: the unexpected delay of the South African elections. So, what exactly went wrong? Let's break it down. The core of the issue centers on something called VMD, or voter management devices. These devices, crucial for the electoral process, unexpectedly malfunctioned. And as you can guess, this threw a huge wrench in the works. Now imagine this: you're excited, you're ready to vote, you reach your polling station, and then you can't. Frustrating, right? The consequence was significant. Voting was postponed, leading to widespread confusion and anger among voters. Think about it. Voting is a fundamental right, and any delay impacts not just the electoral schedule, but also public trust in the electoral process. And in a country with a vibrant, albeit complex, political landscape like South Africa, maintaining that trust is crucial. Now let's talk numbers. Despite these challenges, the ANC, led by Cyril Ramaphosa, still managed to snag 42.8% of the votes. This is key because it shows that even amid technical failures and delays, many voters remained loyal to the ANC. But it also raises a question: how might these glitches have affected the overall integrity of the election results? This isn't just about a delay or a technical glitch. It's about the integrity of democracy and ensuring that every vote counts. It's a reminder of the delicate balance between technology and trust in the electoral process. So, what are your thoughts on this? How do you think such issues should be handled to maintain, or perhaps even restore, public trust in elections? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because this is a conversation that needs to happen. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay informed, stay engaged.